So I just bought a new project car, and it's a 2006 Volvo XC90 with the 2.5T engine. Has 219,000 miles, and it was $700. So let's see how it is. I don't know a ton about it because it was a whole adventure getting it home with the big truck, which I'll get into at some point. And so yeah, let's see how it is. The remote unlock does not work, so that's a good start. The car does start, but let's see. As you can hear, it's not super healthy. It's got a pretty hefty misfire. It smells pretty rich. It is pretty well optioned though. It's got the leather, it's got the nav, which I'll turn on now. Fancy. You know, wood trim, third row seats, and clearly 219,041 miles. Let's take a look under the hood. This is the 5-cylinder turbo, 2.5 liter, all-wheel drive, and leaks oil. It smells hot. Well, it smells like hot oil. So that'll be interesting. So fun fact, I've actually already plated it, so come hell or high water, it's getting fixed. This engine is notorious for PCV system issues, where when it fails, it starts to build a lot of pressure, blows out all the seals, and leaks oil everywhere. It can cause misfires, cause a lot of problems, so it'll be interesting to see how bad things are. You can see around the oil filler cap, there's oil, so that's not a great sign. I don't know who put this back together, so who knows. I mean, even there's oil here. There's, I don't know if that's oil or on the heater core hoses. Yep. One at the back there. And there is oil drips down there. And you can see it's been sitting for a little while. So, cool. This does have 4 matching tires that are 2020. The brakes look a little rough, but they're supposed to be new, so that's good. And he did say he had some service records, so let's see what that looks like. And there are indeed records. Pretty good stack. Should be interesting. Let's see. All the books. Oh, that's good.
You like straws?
Yeah, lots of straws. And what's that?
Oh, this is fun.
I don't know what these go to, so that's will be interesting. I'm gonna put these back in here. That's broken. The wood's faded. Not a big deal. Does have a sunroof, so let's see if that works. Oh, okay, there we go. Well, that's good news. And it closes, perfect. Wonderful. Let's see. Let's move to the back, because this has some interesting options. We have the factory entertainment system, which supposedly works. Got the DVD player here, aux in, the rear seat controls, and third row seats, which were an option. It's a pretty interesting setup because the seats come out from the bottom. It's a little dirty. And some storage, cup holder, or just storage, more storage. Broken AC controls. And yeah. Floor mats, rubber mats, that's nice.
Oh, those are WeatherTech mats.
WeatherTech mats, nice. The trunk, bad struts. It's got rear air, all the way back, and then rear air in the second row. It's a two-part trunk with the hatch, or the tailgate. Some parts. This is, what is this, a wiper motor, or fluid motor?
That's new.
This looks new. Mercedes part. This is actually for this car though. This might be for the, because the guy had a Mercedes, so we'll have to see. Well, we have a new filter. We have VVT solenoid, but I think this is oily, so this might be old. Unclear. What? Made in China. No boy. Aftermarket. Apparently that's not a great option. Second one in there. This one's really oily. Ooh. Is that the factory one?
These are aftermarket too.
Oh, so they were aftermarket replaced with more aftermarket. So that's fun. What's this? Oh.
You have to do this first.
Let's see. Oh, you can see the seats in here. Punctured tire cover. And this looks possibly complete. I don't know. Little tow hook. I don't really know what this is. Okay. Is there a jack somewhere? Oh, right there. Okay. That's good. I think that's everything. I wonder what this is. Oh, the jack handle. Okay. That's nice. Let's close that up later. Let's see. Rear air. And I think this is the DVD player remote. And this is the nav remote. So, yeah. Same thing on the other side. More controls for the entertainment system. that's about it. So overall, for 700 bucks, the interior is in really good shape. I mean, I have to test the entertainment system, but the previous owner did say it works. So that would be everything inside minus like a couple little things that are in surprisingly good condition, even for over 200,000 miles. Yeah, I think the trunk does have an issue where it won't latch, so that'll be another thing to fix. And the struts, but that's not a huge deal. So it sounds like it's gonna be mostly engine work and hopefully just engine work. So we'll see. So here we have all the service records that came with the car. So we're gonna look through them and see how things are. This is 2016 antifreeze. November 2017. Customer was told vehicle had low compression cylinder 5. Scan for codes. Misfire, cylinder 4, cylinder 5, cylinder 3. Miss on startup. Compression test. 80 psi in cylinders 3 and 4, and no compression in cylinder 5. And so the previous owner decided to replace the engine with used assembly, and customer specified to remove his timing belt from old engine and install in the used engine. So interesting. We've got some math on the back, and based on what I could figure out, it was the new engine had 77,000 miles when it was put in, and the car had 138,000 miles on the clock when that motor was put in. So the engine now has 158,000 miles. So we'll see how that goes. Sears Auto Center. December 2017. Oil. No brand specified. Brake service. February 2018. March 2018. Oil service. April 2018. Wow, it's like in every month in 2018. Inspection. Oil filter. Oil service. May 2018. Inspection and the light bulb. June 2018. Oil service. I think he drove a lot. Well, let's see. We go back. Mileage 97,000. What? That doesn't make sense. Oh, this is a different car. Never mind. Okay, let's see. June 2018, oil service. September 2018, oil service. That was 5,000 miles. That's pretty good. So it's regular maintenance. I wish I knew what kind of oil was put in. October 2018, Napa starter installed. It's an expensive job. 260 bucks in labor and 175 in parts. A Walmart service. October 2018. Tires. Okay. What kind of tires? Viva 3. I don't know what that is. Walmart. October 2018. Wheel balance. Maybe it wasn't balanced right the first time. November 2018. Oil service. Inner tie rod end. Customer supplied part. Outer tie rods. Napa parts. Oil service. AutoZone. Duralast hub. January 2019. January 2019. Rear right wheel bearing. Supplied by customer. Okay. February 2019. Replace hub bearing. Customer supplied part. U-Haul tow hitch. Trying to find the date. I think it's 2019. I think it's April 2019. So, good to have. April 2019 inspection and oil service. Mileage not recorded. June 2019, remove and replace both lower ball joints, customer supplied parts, customer, 2 M's. No warranty. Check brakes, good at this time. Mavis discount tire. Continental Pro Contact, July 2019. Is that just 2? 2 tires, okay. Mavis discount tire, August 2019. Oil change. I guess he had a discount. 10% off? Or $10 off. Not full synthetic. 0W20. Don't know if that's what's supposed to be there. At 179,000 miles. Battery warehouse, auto center. Oil filter. Chicken brakes. Oil service. Transfer case oil done at 184,000 miles. That's good. And that is November 2019, both of these. August 2020, rip yard door repair. No details. Nothing else after that. So last service recorded at 184,000 miles. It has 219,000 miles now. So kind of a mystery after that. But I think it's been sitting a little while since the inspection for last year. So it has records. Lots of customer supplied parts, which might explain some of the cheaper parts like that we saw in the trunk. There's no record of the timing belt being serviced. Because the timing belt came off the old engine, I think it has 80,000 miles on it at least. Probably a little more. So that definitely needs to be changed. Well maintained, but probably cheap oil. Really points towards a PCV issue, which would explain why oil got everywhere because the seals got blown out, or getting blow by in the cylinders, which is fouling the plugs. We'll see. We'll get into it and find out what needs to be done. Hey, it's Nick from the future. I'm still working on the Volvo. Definitely found some weird, interesting stuff going on. So be sure to subscribe if you want to see how things go as I get this back to roadworthy. Let me know in the comments if you have any guesses as to what kind of things are wrong with this, and consider subscribing if you want to keep up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.